Hey guys, this is Robert, and as you can see here, we have a fanny pack. Let's open it up. There's a clip here. Has a pocket hidden in the back for your more important stuff. And there's a pocket up front. Has a divider here. There's a hole here for earphone. You see here. And then there's a zipper here. More stuff. And that is a fanny pack. So if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.